Can you guess these amazing animals? Let's play a fun riddle game with rare and cute animals. I am pink and walk on just one leg in salty lakes. I dip and beg. Who am I? Flamingo. I look like a bear and a raccoon too. Black and white. I munch on bamboo. Who am I? Panda. I bounce and hop, I never walk in Aussie lands. I love to stack. Who am I? Kangaroo. I have pouch to carry my young, but I'm small and climb where vines are hung. Who am I? Possum. I'm like a fox with big ears bright. I hunt at dusk, not in daylight. Who am I? Fennec fox. My horn is not real, it's a part of me. I swim in cold at far northern sea. Who am I? Norval. I wear a mask like a sneaky spy. I wash my foot but never dry. Who am I? Raccoon. I glow at night, what dots so bright. I'm not a bulb but such a sight. Who am I? Firefly. With stripy legs and strong kickback, I am horse-like, but my colors whack. Who am I? Okapi. I am slow and green with a funny face in rainforest trees. I find my place. Who am I? Sloth. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.